Hi guys, I'm Peter Kingston. We are on our dashboard for WeShare Abundance. In this video I am going to show you how to make a deposit into WeShare Abundance. So from your dashboard, if you come down to Available Cash Wallet, click on this and then click Deposit. Now you can pay using a credit or debit card. You can pay using your Waves exchange. Okay. You can send WeShare Abundance tokens to Waves wallet address. Copy and paste the address below. So this would be the one you use from Waves. Let's have a look, because most people will be paying, I should imagine, by credit or debit card. So click on here, Pay Now. Okay, it brings you on the home page. To make your payment, open this page by clicking here. And here you will see a choice of different courses that you can purchase. Okay, so let's say we want to put $100 in. You'll pick this one here, the Business Building Course Advanced Level. Add to basket. View basket. So you can either, if you want to put 200 in, do your quantity 2, 300 3. We'll leave it at 100 here. So update the basket. And then proceed to checkout. And fill your details in on the other side. And that is how you make a deposit into WeShare Abundance. Please like and subscribe to this channel. My name is Peter Kingston. Thanks for watching.